And so the point is that you watch the lesson, you learn how this vocabulary is being used in context from contextual text, then you write it in your vocabulary wallet, and then you memorize it. Then once you feel ready, you mark this as watched, and you go ahead and book a call with your instructor. Tamam. So in this case, as you can see here, I have Ustad Yusuf and students as well. If their Ustad doesn't have enough available slots, they can go ahead and check other instructors as well, or other available times with those instructors. And then what you do is you go ahead and you book a call with one of the instructors. And as you can see now, I have a booked appointment with my instructor that you can make sure you don't miss by looking at the class calendar. You will receive a message as well. So as you can see, it's this one right here. And when it's time to join, you go ahead and join the lesson.